between is a rare. So don't throw this chance to air. Tell me, dear, anyone, y component? Y component, what will it be?
So it will be minus of 5 cos theta.
Very good, Gagan. Very good, you seized it. Good, Gagan. Minus of 5 cos theta. Minus of 5 cos theta. Good, dear. You seize the opinion, you seize the chance. 5 cos theta. And why minus, Gagan, if you can throw some light on it?
So because in the other case we took y-axis as downward.
Very good. Y-axis is down. And this is up, right? This
Yeah,
is
sir.
up, correct? Why is this up? Because when you will take the shadow length, you'll get shadow length in the upward direction, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we have this minus sign. Getting it? Getting it? Other two. Getting it? Other two. Krishna and Monica, getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
What is minus sign? If I throw light perpendicular to this vector, I get shadow length on this axis. And this axis is opposite to the direction I have taken y to be positive, correct?
Yes, sir.
What will it be? Minus, correct? Yeah. So minus of 5 cos theta, as did Gagan seize the opportunity. Very good, Gagan. So we get this. Now, you have to think of change in momentum. Now you have to think of change in momentum. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And change in momentum. Take it as momentum in x direction and momentum in y direction. Take them separately. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, initial momentum in x direction, I write it down this way. I stands for initial. Initial momentum in x direction. How much was it? It was mass multiplied with 5 sine theta. Agreed?
Yeah, sir.
Agreed all of you?
Please see that down below.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue dear. Initial momentum in x direction. This is how we write. Initial momentum in x direction. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mass multiplied with component of velocity in x direction. And how much it was? Initially it was 5 sine theta. Correct? Yeah. Getting it now, Gunika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krish.
Yes, sir.
Final momentum in x direction, Krish.
Huh?
Final momentum in x direction, Krish.
So, shouldn't the final one?
Final momentum in x direction, Krish. Come on. Final. Final means after of the event. Event over here is rebound.
It would be the same mass 5 sine theta.
Very good. Mass 5 sine theta will be the same. Therefore, change in momentum in
0.
x direction, 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. If final in x direction is same as initial in x direction, then change in momentum along x direction, 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if there is no change in momentum, then what can you say about force in x direction? Come on.
Force and extra.
These are the
Balance
questions
force.
we asked in NTSC.
The balance
These
force.
are the higher order, slight tweak, because these are to test on your intellect.
Either balanced force or no force.
What will it be? What will it be in x direction? Yes, please. Yes, please. You said something. Please come again.
No force. Or
Very good. No force, but no force in
X
x
direction.
direction, Krish. Okay?
Yes, sir.
No force in x direction. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Gunika, tell me, what is initial momentum in y direction? Taking downward as positive. Yes, Gunika.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat what you said about momentum?
Momentum change by time gets you force. Correct, dear?
Yeah.
So change in momentum, if it's 0, force will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Change in momentum in which direction is 0? X direction is 0, correct? Why we have not as of yet contemplated on, correct?
Yes, sir. Okay, yeah,
So
got it.
force in X direction must be 0 because change in momentum in X direction is 0, correct? Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
That is
Yes,
what
sir.
Krish did say, correct?
So the initial one should be 5 cos theta.
Initial one
M
will be
into 5
5
cos
cos
theta.
theta. Mass multiplied with 5
Yeah,
cos
mass
theta.
multiplied by.
Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Okay, final also Gunika goes to Gunika only. Ty final, yes Gunika.
The final one will be minus 5 cos theta. Mass
I
into.
want the complete
Mass, in,
answer Gunika,
mass, in,
please.
mass into minus 5 cos theta.
Yes, please in totality, answer in its entirety, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I want answer in totality. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now to the finality of it. Tell me, Gunika, what about change in momentum along y direction?
It should be 0 again.
How?
Because
How?
it's
Justify.
the first one
What
is
do you mean by change, Gunika? Just a minute. What do you mean by change? If I ask you change, what you do? Suppose you have a quantity which changes from measurement 5 to 7. So what is the change?
2.
How did you find it?
I subtracted it.
From what to what? I want that answer
From
in words.
7 minus 5.
So what minus what? Final minus initial, initial minus final.
Final minus initial.
Do the same over here. Do the same over here.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you get.
Sir, so the initial one stays the same, but the final one won't it change to minus mass into 5 cos theta.
It will
So when
change. So when you will do final minus initial, how will you get 0?
okay, yeah, because it's minus it
What do you
turns
think?
to plus.
Yes, please tell me.
Okay, so it will stay mass into 5 cos. No. Mm, yeah, so it becomes mass into 5 cos theta plus mass into 5 cos theta.
So what is it? Final answer.
Uh, I don't know how to say it.
Gagan, Krish, tell me what will it be?
So, it will be minus of minus 1, like minus, I don't know, let me just see.
I don't know
Should,
what rocket science you
should
all
it
are
be 2m?
about. This
Minus,
is 5m cos theta and the other also is minus of 5m cos theta. Can't you tell me what will be the eventual answer?
minus of 10.
10
But
minus
the
10.
final one is m minus 5 cos theta, right? So,
Our change is final minus initial. I told you just now, na?
yes, sir. So,
Minus 10m cos
Something
theta.
is this. Initial is this. How much? Minus, yes,
Minus
Monica, yes, said something.
minus 10m cos theta.
Yes, minus 10m cos theta. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 10m cos theta. And I told you in the question that they are colliding for 1 second or 1 minute. What was it?
1
1
minute.
minute.
Okay. So 10m cos theta minus of 10m cos theta is the change in momentum. Then force along y direction will be change in momentum along y direction divided by 60 seconds. Correct? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what we force then minus of 10m cos theta divided by 60. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it is far from getting over. Because what did I ask you? I asked you what is force on ground or ball.
On ground.
So this is change in momentum of ball. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is force on ball. Got it, yeah?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is force on ball. Force on ground will be in opposite direction. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So for force on ground, you will count on this minus sign. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So force on ground will be in which direction? In the
Sir,
upward
could you
direction
repeat that?
of
Your
the
voice is cracking.
Okay. Fy is Fy you wrote over here.
Yes, sir.
Fy means what to you? Fy means force on the particle of which momentum is changing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Momentum of ball is changing. So Fy means force on ball. And minus sign indicates that will be in the upward direction. Got it here?
Yes, sir.
Getting it?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to
Yes.
comprehend the minus sign? Gaga and Krish.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus means it is in the upward direction. And what about force on ground then?
So it will be plus.
Yes.
It will be plus. And plus
Plus.
means in which direction? Down or up?
None.
Down.
Downward.
Down. Because we have taken our y-axis downwards. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or
Sure, sir.
okay, good enough. Now we'll give you questions on probability. Write it down and solve. You'll be solving right away. You'll be timed, you'll be getting 2 minutes for each question. These are very much within your standard
So, one second, what topic?
probability, dear.
Okay.
Question number 1. 2 coins are thrown at the same time. 2 coins are thrown at the same time. The probability of getting both displaying head is the probability of getting both displaying head is options are 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 0. I repeat 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 0. Your time starts now.
So can you repeat the options? One.
3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 0.
Okay. Yes, sir. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Are you done, Krish?
Yes, sir. I'll just check my answer again. Just a minute.
Yes, please do. Then you can get the answer right away. Yes, please.
So is the answer 1 by 4?
Maybe. Next. You have 1 minute. 1 more minute remaining. Krish was the first to get the answer. And don't know which is the answer, but he is going for 1 by 4, right, Krish?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So go with 1 by 4.
Go with 1 by 4.
So, me too. 1 by 4.
Okay. Yes, please explain, Gagan, why did you pick on 1 by 4?
So when the coin is tossed, the probability of getting head is 1 by 2.
In 1 coin.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, taken.
So when 2 coins are tossed,
Huh.
so it will be 1 by 4.
Why?
So because for 1 coin it is 1 by 2.
Huh?
So when we add another coin, it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, right?
1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 doesn't make 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will make 1.
Yeah, so
Not- Not convinced? Yes, Gunika, what is your comprehension?
So, because in total, the number of outcomes we got were 4, that are HH, TT, HT, and TH. So,
Okay.
out of that, like only one is there when we get both as heads. So it
Okay.
should be 1/4.
Very good. That's good. Total outcome being 4 and 1 is in our favor. Only 1 is in our favor, right, Gunika?
Yes, sir.
Only one outcome, that is, of course, both being head. In that case, 1/4. Total outcome, 2 raised to the power 2. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Remember the formulae, the set of formulae are there to help you. 2 raised to power 2 is the number of outcomes. And only one favorable, so 1/4. Gagan, you said something, but what you have said is also a very important point. But you could not articulate it correctly, Gagan. You cannot just by perception go for solution. It is mathematics you are talking of. You'll have to substantiate it. Remember, if one coin is tossed, you will be getting probability of 1/2. If the other is tossed, then also you'll be getting probability of 1/2. But you are to get both the jobs done over here. Is it okay, Gagan?
Yeah, sir.
For both the jobs getting done, the favorable event will be multiplication of their probability. Remember this, I'm telling you something you will study in 11th standard. If A is doing a work and B is doing a work, you want that work to be done either by A or by B. Got it, dear?
Okay, sir.
Then you add. But if you want the work to be done by both A and B, means work will be done if both are doing, then you multiply. Got it, yeah?
Yeah, sir.
So what was the work over here to be done? The work over here to be done was to be seen by both the coins being exhibited, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So one coin exhibition probability was 1/2, correct?
Yeah.
I'm telling you very important point here. Please don't make light of it, the other two. Because these are the different quiver that you need to carry in the war field. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, I would have got one coin getting me the desired result. In what ways? In how many probable ways? You have said 1/2, correct?
Yes, sir.
And the other also in 1/2?
Yeah.
But you want both the jobs to be done, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then the probability will be given by multiplication. When to do a work, two works are to be done simultaneously. Then you multiply individual probabilities. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So 1/2 into 1/2, how much?
1/4.
And what you did, you added. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
Got it? What will be the answer then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Krish takes the cake and Gunika did have an explanation for the same. Good enough. Okay, moving on to the second question. Write down. Two dice are
Someone.
thrown simultaneously.
What?
Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Let me tell you, at different places you will find die being written. This is archaic. D-I-E, die is archaic, is we can say antiquated way of writing singular die. Then we used to, in yesteryears, we used to die, right? Die as singular and dice as plural. We are now using for both singular or plural dice only, D-I-C. Is it okay? So don't use die, D-I-E. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So two dice are thrown simultaneously. The probability of getting a sum of 9 is, the probability of getting A sum of 9 is options 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 9, 4 by 9. Time starts now.
Can you repeat the options?
1 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 9, 4 by 9.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, should I say what my answer is?
Hold on for a minute, Krish.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay, yes, Gagan, your answer, please.
So 1 by 9.
Okay, Krish, your answer, please.
Sir, 1 by 9.
Explain, Gagan.
Sir, the total number of outcomes will be 36 because 6 square.
Okay,
So,
good enough.
so then what we need to get this the maximum sum as 9. So there'll be only four favorable outcomes.
Okay, and they
So,
are?
sir, in first die it will be 3, in second 6, or next in first die 4, second die 5, next in first die 5, second die 4, or first die 6 and second die 3.
Good. Correct. So, Gunika was the first one, this time Gagan and Krish. They are both right. Good, Krish, keep it up. Krish, you are also securing your position, it seems. Okay, third question. Gunika trailing Bagabia. Third question. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is, if the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, then the number of blue balls is, if the probability of drawing a red ball is, what did I say? Drawing a blue ball, sorry. A probability of drawing a blue ball is double the probability of drawing red ball. Then the number of blue balls is options 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Time starts now. 4:11.
Done.
Done.
Okay, good, Krish.
So I'm also done.
Okay, good, Gunika. Tell Gunika. Answer, please.
So, yeah, so we have 5 red balls here, and it's been mentioned that the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball. So that makes it 5 equal to 2x. So when we transpose it, so
No, that is probability. Probability cannot be greater than 1.
yes, sir.
That is probability. Probability is being given to you. You can't say probability is 5. Probability cannot be greater than 1. Yes, Krish.
So we have said that the probability of blue ball is double that of red ball. So if we take probability of red ball as x, so we'll get the probability of blue ball is 2x. When
Just a minute, dear. If the probability of red ball is x, okay?
then
Then
probability
you
of
get probability of
blue ball will be 2x because
correct. That is
So
fine.
2x plus x, then 2x plus x should give us 1. Because
2x?
2 plus x should give us 1 because 2 probability should add up to 1 whole. So 1.
Okay, fine. So 2x plus x, 3x should get us 1.
Yes, so the probability of red ball, which is x, would be 1 by 3.
The probability of red ball will be x is equal to 1 by 3. Okay?
So and so we get the probability of blue ball would be 2 by 3.
Very
Now
good.
now you mentioned that probability of
That is
red
getting a
ball.
probability, but the number, how do you get the number?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then you said that probability of red ball is we know the number of red ball is 5, right? So we multiplied
Okay.
by I multiplied both denominator and numerator by 5. So to keep the probability equal and also to get the number. So
Will get you. Come again, please. Probability was, I said the number is 5. Huh? Then?
yes, sir. So we get the probability is 1 by 3, right? We
Huh?
we proved that.
But probability that you get 1 by 3, Krish, this probability should be the number of balls, total ball, divided by total balls, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I multiplied both numerator and denominator. That's 1 by 3 by 5.
Okay?
So we get the denominator, which is the total number of balls as 15 and number of red balls as 5.
Okay?
So if the total number of balls is 15 and red balls is 5, then we
Okay.
subtract them and we get blue balls as 10. So answer is 10.
Okay, good enough. Good. Good. Other ways are also there by which we can get it, but you have used a methodology which is in a way more appropriate than what I was to suggest. Because I was to suggest, assume that there are X blue balls. Is it okay?
Yeah, sir, I did that way.
So I did that.
That is okay. Then you will be getting a quadratic equation which will lead to the same answer. Correct? Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. So I got my final equation, like before I got 10, was x by 5 plus x equal to 2 into 5 by 5 plus x.
So you will be getting a quadratic equation as x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Correct? X square minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0 is what you will be getting. And from there you will be getting two values of x. What is your quadratic equation, Monica?
Sir, I didn't understand you.
What did you do? What was your process? Tell me your process. Initiate your
Yeah,
process.
so I took I took number of blue balls as x in the bag. Then I took total.
Write that down. Number of blue balls is x. Good. Next.
Then total number of balls in the bag will be 5 plus x.
Correct.
So then probability of drawing a blue ball will be number of blue balls by total number of balls. So x by 5 plus x. I did the similar thing.
Correct.
I did the same thing for number of red balls, and then I got the equation.
5 divided by 5 plus x. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then I got the equation probability of blue balls equal to 2 into probability of red balls.
Okay.
So from there, yes.
Is it
So
twice of 5 by 5 plus x, correct?
yes, sir.
Okay.
And then from there, I got 10. Like I solved it and I got 10.
Good. Okay. Okay, Gagan. So this one was almost by all three of you, but Gagan was trailing in this. Gunika and Krish. Third one again. First one was Gunika Krish. Second one was Gagan Krish. Third one is Gunika Krish. Good, Krish. Keep it up. Okay. Now the other one. Write down. What is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting 53 Mondays in a leap year? What is the probability of getting 53 Mondays in a leap year? Your options are 1 by 7, 53 by 366,
Done. So done.
6 by 7,
Done,
7
sir.
by
So
365.
what's the
Repeat.
Done, sir.
I repeat.
Sir, done, sir.
1 by 7, 53 by 366, 2 by 7, 7 by 365.
done, sir?
So
Done,
done.
sir.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, tell me Gagan.
It will be 2 by 7.
Okay, Gunika.
Yes, sir. 2 by 7.
Okay, Krish.
So 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
So 2 by 7.
How much?
So 1 minute, just 1 minute. So 53 by 336.
Okay, Gunika, tell me why 2 by 7 you did pick? Gunika, reason for 2 by 7, please.
Because I did the wrong calculation.
Okay, fine.
53
Gagan.
was a prime number. It can't be like divided. Like 366 can't be a multiple.
Okay, fine. Krish,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me how did you get 53 by 360 by 366?
So the total number of days in a leap year is 366. And you asked how many Mondays would be there. So 53. So we are finding, we are basically finding
Okay, that is your understanding. Fine, Gagan.
Sir, total number of days in the leap year is 366 and total number of days in a week is 7.
Huh?
So total number of weeks in a year will be 52 weeks.
Okay, good.
So 366 when we divide it by 7, 2 days will be left.
Very good.
So it either can be Sunday, Monday or Monday, Tuesday,
Very good,
Wednesday.
Gagan. Excellent. Very good. Very good. How come, dear Krish Gunika, what you all are doing? See, 52 are fixed, right? You don't have to think about 56 because you are taking 364 first, dividing it by 7, you get 52 weeks, correct?
yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
52 Mondays are fixed, a given. Problem was with only one Monday, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 364 done. Now you are left with 2 days, 2 extra days, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And those 2 extra days will come in combination. For example, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday. So Monday will feature only in 2 brackets, correct?
Yes, sir.
Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
So 2 probability divided by how many days? 7 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
What will it be? How 7? How 7? Sunday, Monday one, Monday, Tuesday the other, Tuesday, Wednesday the other, Wednesday, Thursday the other, Thursday, Friday the other, Friday, Saturday the other, and Saturday, Sunday the last. So how many probability are there? There are how many probable cases? 7, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And of which only in 2 features, Monday, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By 7, what will be the answer?
2 by 7.
By 7, only Gagan got it, and Gagan good. I'm ending it with the last question for this day. And the question is, in a game of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times, in a game of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times, one rupee coin 3 times, and noting its outcome each time, and noting its outcome each time. Aryan wins if all the tosses give the same result.
Sir?
Aryan wins if all the tosses give the same result. Aryan will win if all the tosses are to get you same result. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And loses otherwise. And loses otherwise. The probability that Aryan will lose the game. The probability that Aryan will lose the game is, options are 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 4. Got it? I repeat, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 4.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, done.
Done. Yeah.
Okay. Rika,
Yes, sir.
what?
I'm not able to do this one.
Again, what's the answer?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
3
what is
by
your
4.
3 by 4.
answer?
3 by 4.
How did you get Gagan?
Sir, there are 3 coins. Okay,
Yes.
so first we will be getting like H H H. In second, we might get H H T or H T H or T H H. Third, T T H or T H T or H T T. Like
Which I
that.
have asked you to formulate, right, dear? It is easy to
So
do over here because they are asking for coins. So formulation, please. What is the formula?
so total number of event will be 8.
How formula wise? Get me the formula.
Okay, so 3 square.
3 square will be 9, Gagan.
Yeah.
So
So
8 or
but
9.
I did not do by the formula method.
Fine, I know, fine. But you need to get in the formula part as well. You have to factor in the formula because we need to. We have to study it for long. Remember, 11, 12, IIT, advanced, everywhere you have to get probability somehow conversion with. So formulate it, please. Start formulating it now onwards. Okay, dear?
Okay,
2
sir.
raised to the power 3. How many outcomes? 2. And how many times? 3. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
So 2 raised to the power 3. And you have used this formula in the first example, right, dear? 2
Yes,
coins
sir.
thrown. 2 raised to the power 2 there, correct?
Yeah,
Why 2? There, why 2?
because
There were 2 coins. Correct?
okay.
So here 2 raised to the power 3. Either you say 1 coin 3 times, remember it, class. Either you say 1 coin 3 times or you say 3 coins is the same, correct?
Okay, sir.
So 2 raised to the power 3, how much? 8,
8.
correct?
Yeah, sir. And the favorable
I take a
outcomes.
different approach. Okay, fine. Next, what you did?
So favorable outcomes will be only 6.
That you got again by mapping, correct?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. And Krish, what was your take? You also got by mapping, correct?
No, sir. First I took like the formula to get the sample space.
Okay.
Then I saw like we know that how like he would win only if we get head or tail, right? So that the probability of that, so the probability of that is 2 by 8. So I subtracted 8 by 8 minus 2 by 8 is equal to 6 by 8. Then you do it further, you get 6.
Very good. That is smart work. That is smart work. That is right. He got the other way around. And that was, he got the probability of winning. So probability of winning will be how much over here?
2 by 8.
Probability of winning, probability of losing. They have asked on probability of losing, right here?
Yes, sir.
But he calculated probability of winning, right? Right, Krish?
Yes, sir.
And probability of winning, how did you calculate, Krish? Make them aware once more.
So there would be also to get head is only possible only one time because either it's only head all the time. So like you need to have head on all coins. So that is only possible one or the probability of that is 1 by 8. And the
Then
same
how
is
did you get 2 by 8? 2 by 8, how did you get?
the
Get them 2 by
probability
8.
of tail would also be 1 by 8. And in both the cases you're getting the same result twice, like all the time. So you need to add
Okay.
them up because only then in these two situations he's winning. So
You're
these
not
two
clear.
probability.
Your clarity is missing, please. Huh.
So we have a probability of head is 1 by 8 and probability of tail is 1 by 8. So, and the condition is that he will win only if he gets the same result thrice. So in
Correct.
head also is getting the same result, and in tail. So
Correct.
you need to add these two because you get
Yes, good. That is what I wanted. You need to add. Why you need to add? Because even if one is done, your work is getting done, correct?
Yes, sir.
See, the way in which it will win is one, either head or either tail. Let us say first head. So 1 by 8, he wins for head. And 1 by 8, he wins for tail, right, Gagan? This is what I wanted to factor in. That's the reason I have taken this question. These are hand-picked questions. Why I'm adding over here, Gagan? Tell me. Why did I approve of addition over here? When you added in the previous case, I said, no, you cannot add, right? You remember?
Yes, sir.
But here I am approving of addition because in the previous case work would have been done provided both were done, correct?
Yeah.
Here work will be done, he will win even if one is done, correct?
Yes, sir.
So probability of head appearing 1 by 8, he wins. Probability of tail appearing 1 by 8, he wins, correct?
Yes, sir.
So total probability how much? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, correct?
2 by 8.
Plus here, plus, correct? Why
Yes, sir.
plus? Even if one is done, my job gets done, correct?
Yes, sir.
So total probability of winning 2 by 8, correct?
Yes, sir.
And then losing will be 1 minus 2 by 8, correct?
Yeah.
I'm not saying that you are wrong, but try to formulate it, Gagan. It will go a long way in preparation for IIT-JEE, got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the last one got Gagan and Gunika. Sorry, Gagan and Krish. Gunika dear, did you get it now? Are you able to figure it out now?
Yes, I did it now.
Okay, dear. So Krish, you're in. Gagan, you're in. Gunika, dear, you're trailing. You'll have to be slightly on
Yes, sir.
other side of fence now. Okay? Please be
Yes,
careful,
sir.
Gunika. Please buck yourself up. Right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Right? You
Yes, sir.
solved. Fire all your cylinders now. This is the time. If this loss, it will be difficult for you to reclaim. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, class. Thank you for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.